Welcome to TforSearch. Who doesn't like to go on vacation and see different places? Today we are going to talk about 16 top-rated tourist attractions in Germany Part 2. Stay tuned. Number 12. Kunigs Lake. The lovely Bavarian lake of Kunigs is one of the great beauty spots of the region of Germany referred to as Berchtesgadener Land. Also known as the King's Lake, this area near Salzburg is a hiking and biking paradise thanks to its vast network of trails. One of the most popular things to do is follow the attractive footpath located along the east side of the Königssee to the Mallerwinkel. Also known as Painter's Corner, it's notable for its superb views over the lake and the surrounding mountains. Another equally attractive sightseeing option is taking a boat trip to the 17th-century pilgrimage chapel of St. Bartholomew, at the south end of the lake, and to walk from here to the Obersee. Berchtesgaden, at the end of the Deutsche Alpenstrasse, is perhaps the best-known tourist town and one of the most popular mountain resorts in the Bavarian Alps. Also of note here is Berchtesgaden National Park. This place of outstanding natural beauty has, since 1990, been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 11. The island of Rugen. Rugen is the largest and most beautiful of the German Baltic islands. Separated from the rest of Germany by the Strelasund, it's linked to the mainland town of Stralsund by a causeway. The island's beauty stems from its diversity of landscape, including everything from flat farmland and forest-covered hills to expansive sandy beaches, lagoons, and lovely peninsulas. A fun thing to do here, especially for outdoor enthusiasts, is to pay a visit to the Jasmine Peninsula, which in places reaches heights of 161 meters. Here, you'll find Jasmine National Park, popular among nature lovers for its abundance of wildlife, with notable species found here, including rare white-tailed eagles. Another draw are the island's beautiful Stubnitz beech forests, part of Königstuhl National Park. One of the most dramatic parts of the island's scenery can be enjoyed where these dense old forests come to a dramatic end on the Königstuhl, King's Chair. A sheer chalk cliff plunges down to the sea from a height of 117 meters. There's also a great visitor center here, which offers plenty of valuable information regarding all aspects of the island. Another must-see is the little old resort town of Putbus, seat of the princes of Putbus and with numerous neoclassical buildings and parks. Number 10. Zugspitze Massif, part of the Wetterstein mountain range. The Zugspitze Massif straddles the frontier between Germany and Austria and is surrounded by steep valleys. The eastern summit, at 2,962 meters, is crowned by a gilded cross and can be reached by the Bayerische Zugspitzbahn, a cog railway, or by cable car. Another great way to enjoy this area of outstanding natural beauty is aboard the Tiroler Zugspitzbahn, a railway that runs to the Zugspitzkamm station at 2,805 meters. From here, the journey can be continued via a cable car to Zugspitze West Gipfel station at 2,950 meters. Be sure to sample a meal at the excellent panoramic restaurant located here. A highlight of the journey is the chance to walk through an 800-meter-long tunnel, complete with viewing windows, to the Schneefernerhaus station at the top of the Bavarian Cog Railroad. From here, you can ascend the eastern summit with its viewing platforms. And, thanks to the many ski resorts located nearby, Zugspitze is a wonderful German destination to visit in winter. Number 9. Bamberg and the Burgerstadt. Located in the valley of the Regnitz, where the river divides into two arms, sits Bamberg. This old imperial city is the most important town in Upper Franconia, and is one of the best preserved of Germany's many charming old towns. It's also one of the best to explore on foot. Your walking tour should begin in its old episcopal quarter, home to the 13th-century cathedral and the old Benedictine Abbey of Michaelsburg. It's between the two river branches that you'll find spectacular Burgerstadt, a small borough of Bamberg that contains the Grüner Markt, an excellent pedestrian zone which is home to the 17th-century Baroque Church of St. Martin. To the north is the new town hall, or Neues Rathaus, built in 1736. But perhaps the town's most important structure is the old town hall, built on top of the Oberbruck, upper bridge.